This video demonstrates how to buy shares of ALM Brand AS as an example. ALM Brand AS is an insurance and financial services company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ALMBCO. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALMB.co to locate the correct listing. Confirm the result clearly shows ALM Brand AS before proceeding. On the stock page, review the short company profile and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest, select the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will request you add them before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and cost. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.